Hi, I'm Carrie Cross with the Cross Group at Intero Real Estate. Today's topic is 4 things that you can do to improve your home's value. Welcome back. 4 things that you can do to improve your home's value. So let's jump right in. Most buyers are looking for homes that are move-in ready, and they don't want to have to spend time painting the walls as they're trying to move into the home. If you have scuffed or dirty walls, or if you have walls with bold colors, painting a nice neutral color will appeal to all buyers. Number 2 is to depersonalize and declutter. You're getting ready to move, so let's start packing up all of those personal pictures, and we want to get rid of all of the excess furniture. Take everything off the counters and have just one decorative item. It's important to remove as much as possible to make your rooms look bigger and brighter. My 3rd tip is curb appeal. It's really important to make the front of your home look as amazing as you possibly can. I've actually had buyers that refuse to get out of the car and look at the home because they were so turned off by the front of the home. So it's really important to remove the cobwebs, trim the grass and trim the hedges, maybe plant some beautiful flowers, get rid of that broken down car in the driveway, and just give it a really nice, great curb appeal. My 4th point is to visualize. As a seller, you really want your buyers to be able to visualize themselves living in your home. So you want to set that experience up for them. You want to make sure the yard is a place where they can see their kids playing. They can have a barbecue with friends and family. They can visualize themselves in the master bedroom or relaxing on the couch watching TV, cooking dinner in your beautiful kitchen. It's really important to paint the picture for the buyers when they come into your home. I'm Carrie Cross with the Cross Group at Intero Real Estate. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please reach out to me with the information below. And again, thanks for watching.